Hello, it's Phoebe here with Tiny Gilligan. He is a jig doll, and he is going to dance across 11 different surfaces that we have laid out for him. Um, yeah, so I'm going to play the banjo, and he's connected to my frailing hand, and he will dance in sync with whatever I play. So let me know which one you like best. We're going to start out with an empty wooden box. Let me just get him situated here. And we'll have the camera zoom in down there to get a good shot. Are you ready? You ready, cameraman? Get on down there, cameraman. Okay. Turn around, Gilligan. And here we go. Tupperware. You have to excuse me if he falls off a bit. He's a little bit clumsy, as Gilligan is. Well, a little wooden or a metal tray. Bear with me. Cast iron skillet. Come on, buddy. There you go. Another metal tray. High winds are affecting our performer, but we're going to stick with it. Piece of scrap wood. I'm most excited for, toy xylophone. Let's see if he can stay on it. I think it's our smallest surface yet. One more time. Here we go. Terracotta pot lid. Banjolele drum head. Banjolele. Alright, give me a sec. I need to adjust the string so he can hit these last two. Alright. There we go. One more up. Come on. There we go. There we go. Alright. The classic, iconic Fretless Friday dented bucket. Come on. There you go. Slippery terrain. And the drum. Here we go, big finish. Double time. Alright, up you come, buddy. Alright, well, I hope we got good audio on all of that. This was Tiny Gilligan. Let me know what I should try next. I think the next time I try this, I'm going to experiment with giving him different shoes. I have little glass tiles that I was thinking of sticking to his feet. I was thinking I could also try maybe like metal taps. So let me know what you think. My other thought was the xylophone sounded really good to me. My thought was I could maybe make a big panel of xylophones and have 4 sections, each one tuned to a different of the 4 basic chords, and then move him based on what chord in the song I'm playing. So let me know if you're interested in that, because that would take a bit of setup, but I think it would sound really neat. Well, anyway, that's gonna be it. Say goodbye, little buddy. Thanks for coming, and we'll see you next time.